Me and my essay is, we're here now. We're here. I see her, she see me. We're here. We're here. We're here with it. We're vibing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Life with Sid. Hey girl, hey. Guys, we are back with a video, and I know I've been gone for a while. I know. But I'm back, and I'm back with another Hermès haul. Yes, I am back with an Hermès haul. I'm super excited. I can feel the quota bag coming. I can feel the quota bag coming. I can feel it. I'm manifesting it. Me and my essay is like this now, okay? We're cool. We vibe. Yes, we do. Yes, we do. So let me introduce myself to my new citizens, because I know I have a couple new ones. My name is SYDneyawhite. Hey girl, hey. And I love luxury this, luxury that. And I record lifestyle vlogs. I know I haven't been putting out vlogs in a while, but I will get to it. I like to travel. Wait, excuse me. I forgot to turn my phone off. We can't have no interruptions. Okay, where was I at? Oh, I know I have a few new citizens. Yes, I see you, girl. Hey, girl. Hey, I see you, fellas. So let me introduce myself for those who are new here. My name is SYDneyawhite, and I love luxury this, luxury that, and I love to travel. I love my family. I'm just so lovable. So if you are interested in things like that, then you are subscribed to the right channel, girl. And guys, I'm only buying things that I love. I already told y'all that before. I'm only buying things that I love. But now I have a serious, I would say, like a bond, a connection with my essay. So I am manifesting this bag. I'm loving the brand. The brand is loving me, because I'm finding things that I love, things that I didn't think that I would like, I actually like. And I don't feel pressured to buy things for my quota bag. But I know the quota bag is coming. Yes, the quota bag is coming. And I can't wait to do that unboxing for you guys. So without further ado, let's just get right into this Hermès unboxing. Yes, this journey of mine. Let's just get right into it. So I have a couple packages, but before, let me get a thumbnail. A girl love an orange bag. Wait, let me just do it like this, because we have a couple packages. So let's do it like this. Let's do it like this. Let's do it like this. Thumbnail. Alright, that should be good. That should be good. So I'm just gonna get right to it. It's been so long since I did an unboxing. I'm acting like an amateur. But let's just get right into it. Got the Hermès sticker. Try not to rip the paper so I can do a TikTok, but it's not gonna work, so whatever. Here it is, guys. So I was on the wait list for this to come into the boutique where I shop, and I got the call that it was in, and this is the Avalon blanket. And if you watch my previous Hermès unboxing, I unboxed the pillow to match this. And of course I got it in the neutral color, the camel, and like cream or white. It's a pretty big blanket. It's all wool. I love it. It's super soft. And I just can't wait to put this in my new room. I'm still debating if I want to do like a couch or ottoman in my new studio, and this may make it in there. I'm not 100% sure because this matches my bedroom, so I'm thinking about either putting it in there or just using it for a throw in my bedroom, because I'm always cold and I love a good throw blanket. And I was told that these are very warm, but you know wool is very, very warm, and it's a pretty decent size blanket. I'll put with the size and everything. But yes, so I think I was on the wait list for this maybe about a month. I think it only took like a month for me to get it in. So, and y'all know I shop at King of Prussia, Hermes, and it's not a big store. So a lot of things that I may ask for, most likely she has to order it for me. So, and I like to go through my essay because she gets it, she calls me in, I see if I like it, and then I'll say yay or nay, instead of having to order online, pay for it, send it back if I don't like it. I don't want to have to go through all that. So I would just rather wait, have her call me, I'll go up there, and if I like it, I'll take it. So this is my blankie. So I think I got this gift here on Mother's Day, and I've been waiting to unbox this. I was not going to unbox this because this is a very special Twilly that I seen, and I wanted to save it until I got my bag, because you know I told her the specs of my bag and everything, the color that I wanted, and this is going to match it. But I'm just going to unbox it. I'm not going to wait for my bag to come. And then I was thinking I should have got two, because I do want two Twillies. And then I said, well, maybe I'll put this on one handle and put something very similar to on the other handle. But yes, I'm buying my Twillies before my bag even come, because I know my bag is coming. Okay. Okay. Alrighty, let's get it open. So like I said, this has been sitting since Mother's Day. How cute is this? With the oranges. Oh, this is so cute with the tassels. So cute. The orange and the gold color. So you already know that I asked for a Birkin in gold. And this is going to look so pretty on it. Look at it. Look at the detail where it says Hermes Paris right here. So cute. I love the little fringes. It's just, it has a lot of detail, more detail than just a regular Twilly. So I'm actually going to, because I would like to have the same Twilly on each handle. So I think I'm going to ask her for another one, see if it's still available. Yes, so that is that Twilly. This unboxing is going really, really fast, guys. Really fast. So this is a super hard to get item. I tried to get it online. I kept missing it online in my size. Of course, you know, it's a pair of shoes. You can just tell from the box. And let's just get it right open. And if you know me, you know what sandals I love. These are sandals. Which sandals do you think it is? I'll wait a couple seconds. Drop a comment of what sandals you think it is. I gave it up, says sandals. And what color do you think I got? I'll wait a couple seconds. Okay, I can't wait no longer, because I'm dying to get these open. The two dust bags. Did you guess? All right, here we go. Of course, I got another pair of sheep gray sandals. Is it sheep gray? in the natural color, which is very close to gold, of course. But of course I had to get them in the natural because this is the color of my Birkin. Yes, I'm going to say my Birkin because my Birkin is coming, okay? This is the color of my Birkin. So, like I said, I could not get these online. Every time I went online to check, and I don't have time to just sit online every morning, every day, but whenever I had a chance to check, they would never have my size. They would have a 36 or 38 or 39, never 37. I guess this is like a very, 37s are a popular size, but I really love these. I have them in black and white, super comfortable. I love them. You can wear them with just about any and everything. These are like my favorites for 2024. I'm pretty sure 2025, they will still be my favorites. And they are super comfortable and I just love them. Last but not least, this is something that I actually got on Mother's Day as well. And that's the same day I actually put in the order for those sandals, I think. But I got this, was it Mother's Day? Or maybe it was after Mother's Day, I can't remember. But it's been sitting for a couple weeks. And I was just waiting for those sandals to come in so I can unbox it all together. But this box is so cute. So let's just get it right open because I've been so antsy about opening this. I was going to do a short, but I wanted to, like I said, I wanted to wait until I had those sandals because you'll see. Let's just get it open. Do you want to guess what's in here? Do you want me to wait or do you want me to just open it? Okay, I got you. I'm just going to open it. So here it is. Look how little this bag is. This dust bag. And is this my receipt? No, this is a care booklet. And here it is. It is a Avalon TPM. This is like the mini size. You know, I have a black one in the middle size. So I think it's 3 sizes. It's this one, then one the middle one, and then one much bigger. So this is the tiny. This is like the 18, I think. But this is so cute. And this is just going to hold me over into my Birkin gets here, you know? So this is in the color gold with gold hardware. How cute is this, guys? So cute. I cannot wait to wear it. And it comes with a crossbody strap. Still has all the plastic on here. I'll take that off later. No, I'll just do that now. Still a little bit of plastic on this one. Here it is. It is so cute. I do have to order me a bag organizer just to, you know, keep the shape, keep it clean and inside. It smells so good. And I think this is Togo leather. I'm not 100% sure. I have to look. But I will, if I can find a picture of but it looks like it to me. With this green, super cute. And of course, your big iPhone can definitely fit in here with a card holder, some hand sanitizer, lotion. I don't have all that, but I do have a hand. This is a big one, so, but this could fit too. Hand sanitizer. You could definitely fit your lip balm, lotion, card holder. It actually fits a lot, and I tried it out at the store. Took things out of my bag and put it in here, and all your essentials will definitely fit in here. And I love it. She's so cute, and she's perfect. A perfect match to my sandals, even though they call this natural and this is gold. It's a perfect match to me. And y'all know I do. Y'all know I love a matchy. Y'all already know I love a matchy. So that's it. So before I close out this video, I'm just going to just talk a little bit about my journey, the Hermes journey. I don't feel any pressure to buy anything. I don't feel no pressure. The things that I'm buying, because I know some people say I would never spend my money with that company. From day one, when I met my sales associate, we hit it off from the jump. I never felt mistreated or disrespected or less than. When I went to her, I told her I didn't know much about the brand, but I heard the quality of their bags are like top notch, like even better than Chanel. And that's what attracted me to the brand. That's one of the main things that attracted me to the brand. And the fact that I do like the fact that everybody in a mother does not have your bag. You know, I see that it's growing more and more and people are getting them, but you don't see a Birkin or Kelly everywhere you go like you see a Neverfull or Speedy or a Classic Flap. So I kind of like it. You know. No, I don't really care for the journey, but it is what it is. You know what I'm saying? So it's going good for me. Like I said, I don't feel pressured. I only buy things that I know that I'm going to wear and that I like. So, but anyway, it is what it is. So I'm happy with my items, and I'll be even happier once I pick up my Birkin. Okay, so that is it for this Hermes unboxing, this haul. And like I said, I know I've been MIA for a while, but I'm going to try my best to get out some more content for you guys. I'm super duper sorry. And I love you guys. I love my citizens. And if you're new here and you have not subscribed yet and you made it this far through the video, I don't know what you're waiting for, girl. Hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so every time I upload a video, you'll be notified, and become an official citizen. Yes, become an official citizen. And I promise that I will try my best to get out some more content for you guys. I promise I'm going to try to start vlogging. Okay? So, till next time, Sis signing off. Peace. Kima? Hello?
Mommy?
You need something?
Look at this.
Hold on, let me open the door. I'm recording, but I can take it out.
Hey, look at my stomach. I just want you to show my stomach.
Okay, you're super bloated. Go get some,
Yeah. Go get some more. Some what, lady?
TikTok something. I don't know.
TikTok something?
Yeah.